So now let's see how we can work around with the print settings to get it ready for printing in Google Slides. So in order to do that, I'm going to go to File and then I'm going to go around into Print Settings and Preview. So once I do that, what happens is that you get the print preview area right here. So you can see that there's all the slides. So if you were to go with the default, this is how it'll be printed. Everything will be printed as full screen. So over here on the top, you can see that you can choose how the files actually get printed. So right now it's one slide without the notes. But if you want with the notes, you can go for one slide with notes and then it'll change out how it's printed. You can see that now it is printed in portrait mode, and after the slide you have the notes right over here. So whatever notes you type in under the slides, it'll be printed as well. Whereas for the ones where you haven't typed in any notes, it won't be printed. You can go ahead and print out one slide per page right here, which is the default right here. There's one slide per page. Or you can go around into 2, 3, 4, or even 9 slides per page, as you can see right here. So if you're giving handouts to others, you may want to do this. Over here, you have an option to print it in portrait or in landscape mode, as you can see right here. And you can also hide out the background if you just want it plainly printed. So if you want to save up some ink, then you might want to turn this on. So you can also include skipped slides. So if you skip some slide, maybe hide it or something, you have an option to include them as well over here, as you can see. So now what you can do is you can also go around, zoom in right here, and then scroll around to see how this looks as well. So you can go around, zoom in some more, or zoom out as well. So the other option you have is you can download this as a PDF without printing it as well. So you can just click on download this and you can see that it is being downloaded for sharing, and you can see that now it is downloaded as a PDF. Or you can go to print, and in print there are some settings that you may want to adjust. So right now you can see that it is black and white right here. It gets printed like this. So I don't have any printers that, so it will just save it in as a PDF file. So you can see that it'll be printed as a black and white file right now. You can choose like the pages that you want to print, or you can choose it from color to black and white. And you can go to more settings. You can choose the type of the paper that you want to print in. For example, this. Like A4 is usually the one that is standard. You can also choose pages per sheet right here. Let's say if you want 2 pages per sheet, then you can also adjust that right here. And you can adjust the quality of the printer settings, 300 being the standard. And if you want higher quality, you might want to increase them as long as your printer supports it. Then you have the scale as well. You can scale it to printable area or fit to paper, and the set to default or go to custom and change it out entirely. So you can see that you can go around and let's say you go for 50% or go for 200%. You can set that out just like that and then hit print. So I'm just going to go around and set it default right here, and then I'm going to go around right here and then go for, let's say, not 2 pages but just 1 pages right here, and I'm going to hit the print button. So now what happens is that it generates a PDF file because I don't have a printer attached. And then what happens is this is how it seems, as you can see. That is how you can print out the slides inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.